too loud. Go. Wake your mum. Come on.
Too loud.
Whoops. Eee. What did you do? You fell down here. Go get a towel. Clean up here. Go and get a towel.
Mama has to.
Oh, wrong room.
Wrong room. Wrong room. Mama has to learn to machine in the kitchen.
Take this one.
Because there's one in the kitchen already a dirty one. Don't take it, but it's clean still.
I don't need it.
No,
I'm gonna give it to Nick anyway. Go on then. Work it, baby. Work it, baby. Whoa! Come on. Good. There's more. Is there more then? Good. Nick, it's too loud. Wake him up. Let's go wake him up. Say Nick, come on, let's go. Go. Nick's got the pops.
No.
What?
Too loud.
Not too loud. He's got the pops. Say Nick, can you give me the pops?
See if I. Mama. Mama, the one and the one blue.
What?
Mama's the one blue.
Mama's a what?
Mama's the one room here.
Mama's in the wrong room, I see.